See them squirrels? All right, y'all, we about to check this pitch real quick. Yeah, you can. 12. That's a 12 pitch. And this is an 8 pitch.
I was about to say something serious.
I wake up every morning like, hey, good morning. What's up with all them? Still got them new people?
See them squirrels? I still gotta go to the back, huh?
Okay.
You can stay back. Stay where you at. Back over there.
There we go. Got you now.
I gotta take my pictures.
Ooh, that is steep.
This ain't nothing but an 812 right here. This the 1212 right here.
I see how steep it is.
Nah, this is 1212 going down that way. This ain't nothing but an 812. A 10-year-old can walk this.
Nah.
Huh?
Nah. Only Ninja Ed.
Ninja Ed goes first. All right, we clear, we clear, we clear, we clear. Got one little piece of action. What are you doing there, Leaves? Unguard yourself before I have to pull out my leaf blicky. Okay, you don't want to leave on your own? Blicky activated. And I'm not going to put it on my back either. Now this is 1212 right here. But the Cougar Paws, they hold up. There is a little slip, but they hold up. I can't wait till them conjures come in tomorrow. It wasn't that bad, was it, Joe? They need a roof wash. That part. That part.
You're saying it wasn't that bad, and I'm gonna have to agree with you.
We good for free on this one? Just enjoy the ride? Enjoy the experience? We got you out here in the country, man. I'm playing, bro. Whew. Let me see your blower real quick. Hey, you can grab the water hose, Leona? You got it? Yep. I'm about to let. You want this? You want this?
Oh, no, I'm good.
Sure?
All done now.
Save your battery. So what about them gutter guards right there? The metal ones? Yeah. Them like the best ones ever, right? Yeah. Ain't it crazy that you get the best of the best of the best, sir, and you still gotta get your gutters clean? Yep. It's just don't even get them. But nah, they help though.
They do.
Yeah, them help. It's always tempting to use somebody's water hose, but the fact that somebody did this, that may be their art. And if I come back and don't put it just like that, that's not a good thing. Stretch it all the way out, then walk it over. I knew it. I hate this water hose, man. It's all the way on whatever. It's all the way on jet. It just ain't got that power we need for real. We definitely gonna have to go grab something that's. I know, right?
Okay. Yeah, boop doop. Okay.
Cool.
I'm good. Yeah.
All right. Cool, baby. You want to turn it off?
Oh, okay. Take,
I'm talking about the water hose.
oh, okay. Take your.
No, you can say.
Oh, okay.
It.
On the strain. Woo.
I'll be getting it wet.
Wow. I'll kick your back.
person to work with some of these type of people. You know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely do, bro. This should be a headache.
Especially when they don't know what's going on already, and you already signed a contract for like 25, 30 grand.
And you think we're coming in there to paint for 20 grand? Okay.
I'm saying sometimes it's better for my freedom if I just walk away.
Yeah.
I like being free.
All goodies to wrap up now? Okay. Oh, here. You want your glasses back now?
They still on, huh?
Yeah, I think so. Are they blinking?
Yeah. Can you see?
You're gonna use
light?
that one.
Can you see light on that side?
Did the eyebrows
Can you
for
see
them?
light on your right side? Now you got
Oh.
turn your eye.
No, I don't see light. Oh, yeah, now I do.
Yeah, they were still recording.
Got us first. Ninja Ed made it.